In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new product category in your Wix store. We'll walk through the exact process from opening your catalog to saving your category so it shows up for shoppers. This helps your store feel organized, makes browsing faster, and can gently guide customers to the items you want them to find. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your site's dashboard. On the left side, look for the catalog option. If your menu looks a little different, open the store or products section. Wix sometimes changes labels, but you're looking for the place where your products live. Inside the catalog, head to Store Products and then choose Categories. This is your control center for how items are grouped in your storefront. Now, create your category. On the Categories page, click New Category. In the editor, enter a clear, simple category name. Think of names like New Arrivals, Summer Collection, or Accessories. Short, descriptive, and instantly understandable. Keep the naming style consistent with the rest of your store. Match capitalization, spacing, and tone so everything feels cohesive and professional. Consistency builds trust and makes your navigation easier to scan. Next, add a header image and a short description. Click Add Image or use the image placeholder to upload a header image that represents the products in this category. Choose a high quality, well lit photo. A clean lifestyle shot or a single product image works great, as long as it sets the right expectation. Then write a brief description that explains what the category includes and who it's for, and highlight one key benefit in friendly, plain language. If the option is available, add alt text for the image. This improves accessibility for screen readers and provides helpful context if the image can't load. Assign products to the category in the same editor. Look for the products or add products section and search or browse your items. Select only the products that truly fit this theme. Remove anything that doesn't match so the category stays focused and easy to understand. A tidy selection helps shoppers make decisions faster. When the name, image, description, and product list look right, click Save. Your new category is now active and should appear in your store's navigation or category listings depending on your site's design. You can come back anytime to Store Products, then Categories to refine the name, swap the image, polish the description, or adjust which products are included based on what your customers use most. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Wix store's categories help shoppers find what they love faster and keep your store looking clean and professional.